First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Myself, dear Tharun, and I am born and brought up in Chittoor. So, coming to my education background, I had done my B.Tech Computer Science in Vellore Institute of Technology in the year passed out of 2022. Coming to my previous education background, I had done my class 12 in Sri Chaitanya Junior College in the aggregate of 86%, and my schooling in Ravindra Bharati with the CGPA of 8.3. So, I had been joined JSPIDERS some 6 months ago to learn Java full stack. So before joining the JSPIDERS, I don't know anything about Java full stack, just I know the knowledge about Java. And after joining, due to the excellence of the trainers, I got to opportunity to grow more about myself, both technically and personally. And more my special mentions to the trainers like Kesar sir, Darshan sir, and Guru Raj sir and Sadat sir. They teached me very well, and because of them I had been upskilled my skills very well, and due to this which helped me to crack my job. And actually I recommend everyone to join JSPIDERS who are looking for Java full stack, because of the trainers, even if you are not getting any job here, because of the trainers you will get a knowledge. Due to this knowledge you can apply everywhere, because the knowledge will not go wasted. So I had been actually my brother has been referred to JSPIDERS to join JSPIDERS. I think the decision did not go on wrong. So